We're here on the Noosa River foreshore on Gympie Terrace, right in the middle. This is an incredible opportunity. Only one of 14 privately held jetties here on the Noosa River foreshore, often held for generations, decades. This is an opportunity to secure your lifestyle asset that unlocks everything that we love about the Noosa River and the aquatic lifestyle that's on offer. This is an opportunity that you absolutely cannot miss, and I can't wait to chat to you about it. I'm Adrian Reed from Reed & Co Estate Agents, and we'll talk to you soon.